Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about an alkaline earth metals. Now this is also called as secondary group elements, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Now these alkaline earth metal oxides are more stable because of more lattice energy, so therefore they are more stable. Now these are available in that what? Earth crust in the form of combined state, not in its native state, because these are what? Highly reactive. Now beryllium is available in the form of beryl, and it is also called as a what? Phenacite. Next, magnesium, carnallite is important. Magnesite is the carbonate ore of magnesium. Epsom salt is the sulfate ore of magnesium, which is containing 7 water molecules. Dolomite is the carbonate ore of magnesium and calcium. Now this is called as what? An asbestos, which is magnesium silicates and calcium silicates. In this, carnallite, magnesite, Epsom salt, dolomite is very important. Formulas in metallurgy also we are going to use. Next, calcium is in the earth crust. It is available as a what? Carnallite. Formula is this one. 6 water molecules. Gypsum, which is containing calcium sulfate, 2 water molecules. Fluoroapatite, calcium phosphate with calcium fluoride and fluorospar, that is calcium fluoride. Strontium is available as a what? Strontium sulfate, strontium carbonate. Barium is available, barium carbonate, barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is important, that is called as what? Barytes. Radium is available in the form of pitch blend, that is called as what? U3O8 is present. Now occurrence, which is the most occurrence element in this group means calcium, magnesium, barium, strontium, beryllium, radium. Radium is the radioactive element. Okay, calcium is more abundant on that earth crust. Next, magnesium. Next, atomic and physical properties of these group elements. Now when we are taking this atomic radii and ionic radii of these group elements is lesser than that what? First stage group elements. We know that left to right atomic size is what? Decreases. Now compared to these group elements, top to bottom atomic radius increases because of increasing of that what? Shielding effect, decreasing of nuclear charge. So therefore atomic radii, ionic radius increases. Ionic radii means beryllium plus 2, magnesium plus 2, calcium plus 2, strontium plus 2, barium plus 2. Next, ionization energy. When compared to first A group, these are having that what? More ionization energy, because compared to first A group, these are smaller size, left to right size decreases. So therefore compared to first A group, these are smaller size. So ionization energy is what? More. IE1 of second A group elements is more than that what? First A group, because these are having that what? Some outermost shell is completely filled with 2 electrons, because they are having NS2 configuration. So this is. Next, IU2, after removing 1 electron, these are having that what? First A group elements are attaining that what? Noble gas configuration. These group elements are getting that what? First A group configuration. These are unstable, these are stable after removal of 1 electron. So therefore, second ionization energy of first A group elements are what? More than that what? Second A group elements. Second A group elements after removal 1 electron, these are having what? An NS1 configuration. After removal of 1 electrons, these are having that what? A noble gas configuration. These are having that what? A noble gas configuration. So therefore, second ionization energy of first A is greater than second A. Next, coming to that what? Hydration energy. Now hydration energy, size of cation is increases, hydration energy is decreases, because of what? Polarizing power is what? Decreases. So now when we are taking that what? Hydration energy, in a hydration energy is inversely proportional to size of cation. Now smaller the cation, more is the polarizing power. More is the polarizing power. So top to bottom and polarizing power is what? Decreases. So therefore hydration energy will be what? Decreases. So size of cation is directly proportional to polarizing power. Smaller the cation, more is the polarizing power. So hydration energy top to bottom it will be what? Decreases. Whenever hydration energy is more, then the size of that cation is what? Increases. size of that cation is increases in the aqueous medium, so therefore mobility and the conductivity is what? Decreases because of a big size. If hydration energy is more, size of the cation will become bigger size. Now when we are taking that what? Beryllium +2 in aqueous state and barium in aqueous state, which size is bigger size? Means beryllium size is bigger size in aqueous state. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium in aqueous medium. So size is increases, mobility is what? Size is increases, no, this mobility is what? Less, because this compound is more hydrated. So therefore size increases, mobility, conductivity will be what? Less. Top to bottom mobility, conductivity is what? Top to bottom mobility and conductivity is what? Increases. This is more conductor and more mobility. Next one is coming to oxidation state. These group elements are exhibiting that what? +2 oxidation state to get that what? Stability. These are losing 2 valence electrons and become that what? Stability. Now for suppose when we are taking that what? Magnesium. Now magnesium is losses 1 electron, that we called as what? First ionization energy. Then it is removing 1 more electron, then it will becoming as a what? +2 configuration. So now this is having that what? An neon configuration, now which is what? Stable. To get stable electronic configuration, these elements are losing that what? 2 valence electrons. So therefore they are what? Exhibiting that what? N+2 oxidation state. Okay, now this is the lower oxidation state, so therefore most of these compounds are having that what? An ionic in nature. Next one is electropositivity, metallic character. Top to bottom electropositivity, metallic character is increases because ionization energy is decreases. Next, compared to first A group elements, these are having that what? More metallic bonding, because more is the valence electrons, more is the metallic bonding. Next, these metals are available in the form of what? Beryllium, magnesium, hexagonal close packing, calcium, strontium, CCP or FCC, face centered cubic lattice. Barium is available in the form of body centered cubic lattice. Top to bottom, the reducing nature is increases. Here melting points and boiling points, top to bottom, they will be what? Decreases. Melting point: beryllium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, magnesium. Magnesium is the least melting point and boiling point when compared to this one. Highest one is beryllium. Least one is magnesium in both cases. Why magnesium will shows least melting point and boiling point means because that magnesium is having that what? Least metallic bonding when compared to that what? Other metals. Why magnesium is having least metallic bonding when compared to other metals means when we are taking here atomic radii, beryllium to magnesium, it will be increases slowly, but from magnesium to calcium, the atomic radii is what? Atomic radii increases more, so therefore what? Its metallic bonding is what? Becomes weak because of more increase in the atomic radii. More increase in that what? An atomic radii. This is atomic radii versus that what? Atomic number. So density, top to bottom also first decreases then increases. Calcium is the least density, radium is the maximum density. So increases because of these are having low density because of decreasing of packing of atoms in that what? Solid state. Packing is what? Less. When packing is less, they will occupy more volume, so therefore they are having less density. Calcium is the least density, radium is the maximum density. Next to flame colorization. These group elements are exhibiting that what? Except beryllium, magnesium, remaining all are exhibiting what? Color property due to excitation of what? Electrons. Beryllium, magnesium, they won't exhibit any color property because smaller size, more ionization energy. So what we are giving the flame, that energy is not enough to excite that what? Electrons because of more ionization energy. Calcium will give brick red color, strontium will give crimson red, barium will give what? An apple green color. Nature of the bonds. Most of these elements are forming that what? Anionic bond. Next, reducing nature. See, now when we are taking these group elements, top to bottom, the reduction potential values are what? Increases. Reduction potential values. Negative reduction potential values are what? Increases. So therefore, what will be happen? Their reducing nature will becomes what? Increases. More is the negative reduction potential. More is the negative reduction potential. That will be acting as a what? Strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent means which undergo oxidation easily. Which undergo oxidation is easily. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Loss of electrons. Thank you. In that next video, we are going to study about that what? Chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Thank you.